In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Telegram on your Windows PC or laptop. Let's get started. To begin, open your browser on your Windows PC and go to search bar. Now, type in telegram.org. It will direct you to Telegram website. Now you have few options here. Just scroll down and find Telegram for PC or Linux and click on it. So, here we have this Get Telegram for Windows 64-bit. And if we click on Show All Platforms, and here we have this Telegram for Windows 64, and Get Telegram for Windows, which is 32-bit. So, I'll just click on Get Telegram for Windows 64-bit on here. It will automatically download their application. Once the download is complete, you can launch or open up the application in order to install it. To start the installation, click on Run, then click OK. Then, click on Next. Now, click on Install and wait for a while. Now, the installation process is complete and automatically going open this application. If I close this application, you can find this Telegram app on desktop. Just open the Telegram app. What we need to do now is connect your Telegram account here. To do that, click on Start Messaging. Now, open your mobile devices and then open your Telegram app. Once you open it, just simply tap on these horizontal line on top left corner here. Then, go to Settings. Scroll down until you find Devices option. Just tap on it. You'll see Link Desktop Device button here. What you need to do is to hit on it and then scan the QR code that is showing on your computer. And here you can see that the Telegram account that was on your phone now is showing on your computer. And that's how you can download Telegram on your Windows computer or laptop. Now you can conveniently chat with your friends and family from your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.